This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 11, LP detector, water heater, microwave, air conditioning, Colorado detector, auxiliary battery, slideout, refrigerator, skylight, spare tire kit, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is 6,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.